Hello, my inspirations. Happy Thursday. Merry Vlogmas Day 15. As you can see, we got a lot of the white stuff going on out there. My therapy was even canceled today because we are under a winter storm warning. We're supposed to get like 7 inches, and we're supposed to get an accumulation of ice too, which I know a lot of people don't like that, especially if you have to drive, but I love an ice storm because everything looks so beautiful when it's covered in like an inch of ice. It's like everything, like the branches and everything are made of glass. And I really love that. So, this is what it is doing here in PA. I'm going to pause this and move over to the other window so you can get another view. So here is the other gorgeous view out the other window. Up here in my room, and you can look down on the barn and the neighbor's barn, and everything is just covered in pretty white snow. It's so peaceful coming down. I just love watching it. Kind of makes everything just seem quiet for the moment. But I thought I would put that in my vlog today because I want to do like an actual vlog instead of just one specific thing, because I've been making them pretty short. Just because. No reason really. But I don't go out every day, so I don't always have a lot to film. But today I have a few things because I have this beautiful snowfall, and I have a couple of Happy Meal unboxings from a couple of my YouTube friends. So stay tuned. Okay, my inspirations, I am back, and this first package that I got, I actually got it like a week ago, and I was gonna wait and wrap it up and put it under the tree, but I decided I could use a little bit of cheer today, so I'm gonna be impatient like a kid, and I'm not gonna wait. So this package is from my dear friend Delana. She goes by Bonbons and Books here on YouTube. And I have to see what she sent me here. I opened the package and I knew that it didn't look like anything I had ordered. So I dug around until I found the gift receipts. Let me see where it goes. Hang on a minute. Where is the actual note that came with this? A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. Hang on a second. There's like 4 different things in there, stuck together. Here it is right here. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. Merry Christmas from Delana Renee. So I am going to pull this stuff out and see what she got me. I hope that I don't break anything because I can't really see what I'm doing. Ooh. The 1 minute gratitude journal. That is very cool. The pleasure which we most rarely experience gives us the greatest delight. My phone doesn't want to focus. I don't know why. There it goes. So it's a gratitude journal, and apparently it's got different quotes in it. This is really cool, Delana. I love this. Thank you. It's got all kinds of different journal prompts. I love these interactive journals. I actually have quite a collection of them, and they're all different. I don't have this one. I do now. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Delana. I love it. I can't wait to start writing in it. And I feel like there's something else in here too. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Oh my God. I wanted one of these so bad. I've never, ever in my life had an advent calendar. And I had seen this one on, I think it was, yeah, obviously it was Amazon. And I was like, oh my God, that would be so cool to have a tea advent calendar. Of course, I am very behind right now, since this is day 15. But, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Let's see something here. 5. Best before 5/24, so I could actually save this for next Christmas and start at day 1, and it'll still be fine because it's good until 2024. Product of India. Ooh. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Delana. I really want to do it like right now, but then I want to do it the right way and start at day 1. So I might actually save this and start it on December 1st of next year. And then that could be a daily thing in my Vlogmas next year. Thank you so much, Delana. Oh my God, this is so cool. I'm trying to zoom in to see what the different flavors are. But it's not wanting me to zoom in for some reason. Let me see. Mint Melody green tea. Oh, there's a lot of green teas, and I love green tea. I wish it would let me zoom in better. Maybe if I do it this way. It looks like there's a bunch of chais and different black teas and green teas. Oh my goodness. This is so cool, Delana. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. And I love you, girl. Thank you so much for the years of true friendship. That means more to me than anything. I really wish I could zoom in on this better, though, to see the flavors. Alright. Let me pause my camera a second. Maybe I can figure something out. Here we go. Turmeric ashwagandha herbal tea. Turmeric moringa herbal tea. Turmeric spiced herbal tea, turmeric chamomile herbal tea, hibiscus rose herbal tea, English breakfast black tea, Darjeeling summer black tea, Earl Grey citrus black tea, Himalayan green tea, cinnamon, chamomile mint citrus green tea, mint melody green tea, Earl Grey citrus green tea, sweet Himalayan green tea, lemon ginger green tea, ginger mint green tea, morning Tulsi green tea, India's original chai tea, sweet cinnamon chai tea, Earl Grey masala chai tea, vanilla spiced chai tea, pumpkin spiced herbal tea, ginger chocolate herbal tea, ooh, cookies and cream herbal tea, berry cinnamon herbal tea, and so then it tells you the different ingredients that are in all of them. Cardamom, cinnamon cloves, all kinds of cool stuff. So that is really a freaking awesome gift. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. I love this, and I love the little journal. Thank you so much, Delana. You didn't have to do all this. Oh my God, you're so sweet. Now I have another gift that I got in the mail from another supporter, and I will be right back to show you that. Okay, I am back with another unboxing. It's bubble envelope, but I guess you'd call it an unboxing or opening, whatever. This is from another dear person to me on YouTube. A lot of you don't really know her, but she was in my last live stream. Her name is Embry Rose, and she about had me crying in my live stream. If you guys remember, she was the one who said that she really enjoyed the live, and I made her feel like a human being, or we all made her feel like a human being, you know, and that really touched my heart, because I know exactly what she means. It's certain people make it very hard to feel good about yourself here on YouTube. So this lady is amazing, and I swear to God, she's going to have me crying again, because I had already opened this because I had to check something. But I want to show you what she sent me. This is so cute, you guys. This is a little gift box, and the little reindeer on it comes off, so you can hang it on the Christmas tree. It's a little like felt reindeer. Hang on, I have to pause this so I can open it though. So Embry sent me a very generous $25 Amazon gift card. Girl, you didn't have to do this either, and I totally appreciate it. I am actually working on my cards and packages today. I probably am not going to get my stuff out until Monday, so it's possible it might arrive after Christmas, but hopefully everybody agrees, better late than never. I'm hoping though that most of it will get there, because Embry, you and I don't live all that far apart, and most of the people I have to send stuff to, we don't live that far apart. So we'll see if things get there in time, but I'm definitely sending you something. And guys, I have to read her card. Hang on a second. Oh, I gotta pause again. Hold on a second. And, okay, this is really crazy, because I saw these cards in the store, and I actually bought like 4 of them to have some extra cards to send, and I thought these were so cute that I was like wishing somebody would send me one. And I think I'm going to put this, I mean, I have a box where I keep all my special cards and letters and pictures and stuff like that. And this is going in there. All the cards I've gotten from you guys are going in there because I cherish stuff like this. And it's a cute little mouse. Have you caught the Christmas spirit? Bet it wasn't hard to do. And then inside says, be joyful, kind, and giving. Oh, being joyful, kind, and giving just comes naturally to you. Merry Christmas. Just a little something to let you know you are loved and you matter to many. Love, Embry. Thank you, Embry. That message really means a lot to me that you wrote. Because I'll be honest, I mean, it's been tough to believe that, you know, sometimes. But it is good to know that I do have quite a lot of people who do feel that way. And it means a lot to know that you're one of them. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I love everything. I love the card. I love the gift card. I love the little reindeer, everything. I'm going to cherish even the box and even the card. After the card's used, I'm still going to keep it like that. And I'm going to put that in with my box of keepsakes because it really means a lot to me. And, I don't know. I'm like kind of getting choked up with what I want to say, but I just want to thank you for making me feel like I am somebody special, and I hope that you know how special you are also. So, thank you to you, and thank you to Delana. You guys are just amazing. So I don't know if I'm going to add anything else to this vlog. I might. But so far, this is what I've got. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. And we'll see if any more gets added to this one. Or if I just go on to day 16. But thanks for watching so far. My inspirations. I love you all.